Ebusia for me Mobi Biara Kwaba Haye Goodie Hima TV. And you can also address me as Kava Girl, Kennedy girlfriend back up. Ebusia for and then I know some my church and Yama be brave pages, so but and then me say me breaking Yama be down to you about angels and spirit. Many a time people get confused as to the word angel and the word spirit. Yes, these are two strong names, and we classify every spirit depending on their rank, you know, and every angel. Yeah, it's my from spirits. Yes, but the truth of the matter is, in as much as we can call every angel spirit and every spirit angel, every angel spirit, the truth of the matter is it's easy for an angel to be spirit, but not easy for spirit to be angel. Are you confused? Okay, so that's why I'm here to break it down for you. Okay, so Nyankopon eto bra kweku free sro bana on any team, the deceived team, the brainwashed team, no, yeah, to omo rebellion na yeah to omo. Na Nyankopon wo ho kwan bia se or stop you omo so dey be on behind. But then again, Nyankopon ma yes asisi for message say as asif for yenwi. Okay, bra kweku came. And he came with his, his friends, his colleagues, you know. You know, here on earth, you know, yeah, as you Mr. Braco, you're evil. But mind you, let me just set the scenario. You know, and always like in my submissions, I always leave the Bible beside. Okay, I put it somewhere, not because I don't want to quote, but because I maybe say usuya dear na otinyama biase some myth cliche be no more otiase in your own words, in your own word, like I maybe say otinyama biase, so that when I back you up with the Bible, then it was saying well. And then when you go out there and you want to debate, when you go out there and you want people to know what you feel with, and you know what you have, you debate with your full chest, you talk about it. I mean, you try your best to inflect you know, with your full chest, like 100. You vent in 100%. Okay. All right, so Brako Kubeju has said, yeah, assume and I better say or me demons, others call them fallen angels. Okay, fallen angels. Right. So fallen angels, Mamin bisa wasembi. Moye na for musimu kwa jisikejo, like for money rituals. Believe you me, or you know that as ye kono. Too dear, you know, my dear to some rituals. There's always one now dreaming in the 50-50. There's another one, you know, or they always have a change of mind. They always end up having a change of mind. Tell me if I'm lying. Muninana mususu you. But a bedroom baby, no, I'm not going to do again. Something is, you know, something doesn't sit right. Something doesn't feel right. Tell me if I'm lying. Yes, and that person, it doesn't feel right. No, I am on the spirit. This so-called spirit of Omoni Brakukubai is one of the spirit. I mean, could be a group of spirit. That 50-50 could also be another group of spirit. And that, you know, certain type of, spirit, into uhunisana, who say, spirits no mabahana, na angels na omubedru hasen. Kiane ki. Eyete ya. Ye wo, ahonhom ni bi wo honuma, omubaye no. Omenya change of mind do. Into ahonhom bebree surround ya. There are some ahonhom bia they are so willing to help. That's the something doesn't sit well with me spirit. Like the change of minds ones, no. They almost to help mankind. Say the baya, you know, or show hene be who omobo no asama o mababa. Ye will be more how my psyche omo omujina baby omujina. They want to harm mankind. They want to harm humans. That's the demons. Okay? And the 50-50 year, you was spirit or no be drew hand. Osman son koye boy no beko. Osman son koye papa obeko. You get me? Yes. It's a home now. You call them demons. Your pastor is calling them demons. Your pastor has classified them as fallen angels. Indeed, they are fallen. But then again, the spirits nobody feels through the by me wanju egusu kramo. Se egusu kramo no. Eni ni nejna nipa kwa oboa wo. A free wo how mono. And they be determined the ordinary spirit here. And to say what shame na me you good. But no nonsense. That's the exact way I'm a spirit or say. That is if me you see the earthly ones now. That is how my spirit should say. Say me two me ya azan. My spirit ya azan. Me two me ya good me dream one my spirit or to say. Me bufu enya my spirit or to say. Yeah, me can what to say. Yes. See a home no more no much I say. Omo frequency level no, you two omo by omo frequency level no. I reduce it. So therefore, no more your angels, but now level frequency now drop into. Am I from spirit? You're from spirit, still they are angels. Into say maybe you see one of them. You know, I can't call them. Can't just call them. They are angels, okay. But all the angels, no, be it the holy one, the archangel, like the holy ones, the metathons, the holy ones, no. You're from one now, but because a home is spirit, okay. And so, Fred, you're more top now. You're the holy count, holy archangel. You're the holy count. But the earthly ones, Nadia, you know, you call them angels or spirit. So this is it. But the holy ones, you know, they are much stronger than the earthly ones. Though Nyankopanji almost spirit name few more much stronger. And to sa a home ya or my bias to say you will be more or more tinti or more in your change of mind. You call them fallen demons and others, no. Or mona a bimonya sometimes to mutimi worry bimo. That's when the spiritual marriage comes in. So I'll treat another topic about spiritual marriage and also treat another topic about, you know, how spirit operates. So remind me, Eurafia, remind me. It was here for. That's a brief topic about angels and spirit. I hope that this helps. Once again, I'm a Gudia Hima and I'm your spiritual mentor. You can as well address me as your spiritual leader. What you see me doing on the media as man must chop, yeah. Bible says engagement today. So that's what I do, and that's what I do and get paid. But this, you see what you're watching, you see now, like what I'm doing now. This is what I'm assigned by my maker. This is how the universe has programmed. This is what the universe has programmed, and I must do it. So in short, this is what I'm assigned to do. Once again, you're watching Egudia Hima TV. I am Egudia Hima. Kindly subscribe, leave your comment, and also give me a thumbs up. Don't watch the video without you not liking the video. Just don't, okay? I beg of you, don't. So by sharing, it helps others too, you know. It helps others to know the good things that I'm doing. I'm also on TikTok as Miss Cover Girl. Yes, Miss Cover Girl is my miss is M-I-Z. Yes, M-I-Z. That's my miss. My miss is not M-I-S-S, it's M-I-Z. Yes, so you can as well watch my teachings on TikTok as well. Ebusia for me that as send us when your brain with you. God richly bless you. I love you. Bye.